Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get ISO 16 RC released candidate software at your iPhones and as well as iPads. Apple has released its ISO 16 RC software. This is a much reliable software than its beta version. To getting this software at your ISO devices, keep watching full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to get it. So let's get started. Open your default Safari browser and in the search bar type here beta.apple.com. Now scroll it up. If you are a new user, just sign it up at here, and if you have already a account, just go with sign in option. After getting your RC profile, open your settings. As appears on top, you can see profile downloaded. Just tap on it, tap at install, enter your passcode, again tap at install, tap at install. It's asking for restart. I'm going with not now. Tap at done. Now go back. Tap at software update. Appears on screen, you can see download is available. Now download it and install it. Like that you can easily get this ISO 16 RC at your ISO devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.